Wait.
cleaning. There's a road cleaning machine.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll show you something. Look,
What is it doing?
he's cleaning. But I need to show you something.
Yeah, what?
I'll be right back, okay? And don't cut, okay?
Okay. Water coming off.
Okay, I need to show you.
Oh, you have the same machine. Oh, this what cleans the road?
Yeah.
Wow.
But
But it's making all dusty, eh?
yeah, but look, it's not either. There's no brush, but it will clean. Okay, it will come on this machine and come on here, and then it will fall down and come on right here. Then the dust will come on here. Then the road will be so clean.
Oh, like that, huh?
Yeah, like everywhere.
It's cleaning very good, huh?
Yeah. Hello. என்ன பண்ணலாம்
Noki Bara, you can see it. Wow.
He said, told you that this was not coming, right?
Yeah.
Big? Yeah. Same color, look, white one. Oh no, it's coming! Ah, nothing coming back! Oh, don't come here. Don't come here. Don't come here. Don't come here. Whoa. They're cleaning market. The road is very messy.
Yeah, it will be clean.
Yeah. Oh, they're doing a hard work, right? They're going around.
Yeah. And do you think it will be clean, Vaibhav, after they are done?
Yeah. Then it will be clean and water.
Yeah.
Then it will be very dry. Then it will be so clean. Oh no! GMC. Let us GMC.
Yeah, it's GMC. Say hi.
You see that water? No?
Yeah.
In the tank? But we will do a next our bike. Clean this one.
They do this every springtime. They clean up the parking lot. They
Snow.
clean up the roads.
Snow.
Yeah. Snow is winter time.
There. And
You see that? You see that?
see that.
And,
Here.
oh, it's pretty much clean, right, Vaibhav?
No. This, you
yeah, they
have
have-
to clean the parking lot.
Hmm?
Clean. Now I don't want to use the brush.
Yeah. The vehicle is going. Bye, Vaibhav.
Bye.
Thank you for cleaning.
Thank you for cleaning. Next time you have to come here and clean the basement. Okay? That's for today. Okay? Okay? Who can loud? Huh?